Hello, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Nelly again. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to get this perfect loosed braids. So, in this video, I would love you to please carefully look at the movement of my hand to just get it correctly, to get it very much accurately, because I really might not be able to, get the perfect words to explain what the hair is going to look like, and so please bear with me. Okay, so just to make um a proper explanation, I'm going to bring the camera very close so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, so the pace, or rather the gap I'm giving to each braid, should I say each braid, yeah, to making each step in the braid, it's quite much. So you will find out that the braid is looking very loose and flat. So if you're making a loosed braid and then you are not achieving something like this, truth is you are not making a loosed braid at all. If you're making a loosed braid, it has to come out like this, looking flat and also very flexible. So that's when you've achieved a loosed braid. So I'm just going to go ahead to show you what the other type of braid looks like, but this is the loose braid. Okay, so for this one, I'm not really going to say much through the braiding process, because just like the other braid, I can't find the right words to describe the braid. But at the end of the braid, I'm going to show you what the braid looks like, and you're just going to get the difference. Okay, all right, so I'm almost there. I'm going to move the camera a bit downwards so you can see what I am doing really, and then it will not just be sorry for this one, you really cannot see my hand movements. I don't know why. I feel maybe because the way I position my phone, but okay, yeah, these are both braids. Okay, so you can see one is a lot more flatter than the other one is looking puffed and the other one is looking very flat. So the one looking puffed is in no way called a loose braid. The one looking very flat with wilder braid ends, I don't know, call it braid ends,